Hi, I'm Caleb with Lake State Cleaning. Let's take a minute to run through our gutter cleaning packages so you know exactly what you're going to get for your money. The basic package includes removal of all the debris in your gutter trays. We also clear debris from the valleys and surface of your roof where accessible, and we also inspect your downspouts. We'll clear debris and clogs from the downspouts to ensure proper flow. To finish, we bag up the debris in lawn bags so it's ready for your easy disposal. The standard package includes all the features of the basic package, plus 2 extra features. The first is an industry-exclusive 14-day warranty. If your gutters develop any drainage issues within 14 days of service, we'll come back to take care of it at no charge. The second additional feature is photo confirmation of the completed work. We will email you or text you photos when the job is done so you can see the final results of the work with your own eyes. The ultimate package includes all of the listed features plus 1 extra step. We'll power flush all your trays and downspouts with a high volume of water, removing nearly every speck of debris in the entire system. This restores your gutters to like-new functionality and gives you the ultimate level of detailed service. So those are our packages. Hopefully you find something that fits your needs. Let us know if you have any questions, and we're looking forward to working with you.